you a genius piece of British engineering, something that I carry in all the cars that I drive. This is called a BriteAngle. And what's hiding in here is something that if you care about yourself or your family, then you'll have to get one of these particular things in. So what we do is we open up the front of it, hiding inside, you can see, there is something that I'm going to show you in a minute. That's actually an important bit. We put this back together, clipping the bottom on to begin with, and back in the angle line, 2 seconds. Like that. Now this is the bit that I want to show you. Chunk, lights up warning triangle, and that thing very cleverly slots in there. It has some AA batteries at the back of it. You'll get something like 30 hours worth of use from actually the batteries that come with it, and that will protect you and your family, and it's designed and built right here in the UK, and it's called the BriteAngle.